we abeye for me tournament I got compare for any agent home.
Also manager.
It be team or people say there are some Madiba because tournament to lose 3 matches out twice for the a team or say or money agent. Now but I make us say 1. So never and share ngua neshe edemount. Let's not forget top 4. And top 4 more like a pre-season tournament. And prior to the new season Beshasian. And without this tournament, unim say the narrative and our Tina say Kotoko. That was a no beer Eka. Kama say most of the players Omanda Manoma Kunko Abetamwa Kwampoku Mohamed Kamara after South Africa cheap penalties, it was more like everything was okay. Up team name. Henry Ansu no beer enama on himself be beer at the ye. Tiabani you don't double your effort. Then they move to the top 4. No. Reality adorning up on them. Mama will say all is not well, all club name. Because now you say everything is okay because now we need games are now this top 4 actually say you have a lot of work to do. And once some of us mistake in the sense that we were caught away with the result of Kotoko in the Council of Airborne requirement. Only may say the performance in those tournaments, tournament performance are also Kotoko edge the FA Cup, maybe again Golden Cakes.
Sure.
Say the way a manner that they won the FA Cup, no problem. But penalty on any other game they could have been different. Like a game like a penalty shootout, nobody knows what will happen over there. And I'm not to again have the folk in the President Cup. Okay, that game also has the kid the lead. The first and last room, another count competition by 2-1 against Kenya Chiefs of South Africa. That game, that game, regulation 13 baby, the Kenya Chiefs never to go. Even penalties, no Kotoko say no almost so bad. I will say they won. Then the maker United said the cracks were there, the warning signs were there. There would be a some of us they be a mere account about the signs and what the remember people say team there, young team doesn't. Yeah, it was some individual requirement. Just said that because we know the importance of unity and understanding and loyalty of squad. So what squad are? Obama watcha who can tell any crap on himself play or that waves at the animal. It now we're talking about the signers and also the team in general. Third teams and the teams were not all right as we thought said at Tieno. And they came back into this country and are players in there at the count. Now look at the new player now over the other besides say we rate them and as we rate it. But that kind of crowd, almost all the new players nearby, you know. Ebia only 1 or 2. Na bet me ebia on Saturday by amomo. Momo can na in the all season no so in the top 4 on modern war totally nothing to write home about. Aziz Al-Nadari only will be Parnoboa. Omo again boy against Pound Out of Lions. So no mistake Emma Pando every that game no by a goal to nil. And mistakes are part of life, and in football mistakes cannot be, but with time, say a team matches over some time, at least you can be able to communicate better with the back line. Then now make our say center back on some SI, say better media away because you want to get a consistent pairing, as I be, and not do again at the football corner. First goal, the career of Seni. Time Bono or move football Bono. Who's there? Have the ball and now all perfect. I do Caborano. Who's there? Or what to do? Miscommunication. Where would you all come on? Zakaya Airco, Samba Airco, or Minim Domoye. And Frank Duku, Echo Far now, or what any other Oprano. Where actually said with squad building, no. You need to make sure, sir, you know what you are doing. Have a consistent team. Yes, sir, but I don't think that's a brown or cross on the nap. Some player way available in Seattle and Kotoko. Whilst you know, sir, there are other pressing needs are supposed to do. Build up that unity in the team. And make players back, players Maka Runadai, Zakaria Husseini, fans are Kwapode. The first game of the football corner, now back to Mr. Rabba. By the top 4, me who give a bad 10 years because we're there. Aquaman else, so medical gas way all season. So we can pardon them. Men can't sing as a fun player, but I make it guys say consistently. That's what brings what good results. So if the club want to make sure that they will go in that tangent, they want good results and they play them and sign up. They should give them time. You don't sign players just after 2-3 against Pep. This one Enko. Most of the players are buying us the money. Enko Isaku Obakala Sabat Obakarno. Enko number 2 no. Enko number money. Enko Karimami. But other players will get time. Maybe they can come good and make Santabu Kusoko Go Stars. And all go about the say. Sure. So we'll go and say. I can't go about the one should go. Waiter said he wasn't a bad player, but he came into an environment that no answer in or bad injury. So what do you do? What you do is that you give them the time. And come on, my players now call me no say. So who my player aqua no say. Players now on air one, you giving them the time for them to prove themselves in the team. But right now, this a team of 1. They didn't get a player at that time, though. And then there's some anchor. And the Johnson is like Johnson came as a ringer. On my Fernando Wisdom Bass in the coin. Now, Wisdom Bass by injuries as in chair. Another guess on the over. Some of the game you could see that better was trying to do something for the club. But my Wisdom Bass acquired. And Johnson by a ministry that I can say. About even dreams team of Africa. No, you ain't take a match of work or 4 matches. Knockout one more game with this world code, the knockout of the confederation cup every year. But here can people to say, yeah, may say yes, yeah, betting me to play there any area. And they were back after those 4 or 5 preseason games. Yes, uncle. So if you know sir that time you have something in him, give him the time, I leave him chance. And correct. It's better say be a catch loss, but all season they see the be a your fire get the play to come all time or maybe one. Your ball all season not got for us shall be a have to the goal of after goals. League the shot say no you rule. And now not gonna be making that as an example. Let me catch yourself. So can Edo Sepele. Kotoko Sepele. Or Sepele bought top 4 year. No man will not be a different but no Edo Sepele. League the shot say about them now. Why 0 put the Edo Sepele net top 4 Korea Yekawasabi. And they quality visit to every other top 4. And a crowd child are overwhelmed what to talk about Koyade. But that of quality visit to what has been the level of Ghana football. And the top 4 ain't a big trophy also it would come one. Use that as a yardstick. So if you think say the players something that you will sign the buyer, give him time because all these some people are not there. One play Biako. In Abaka the buyer number 2, those are buying. Some of us say now even a fair choice or team of Robert. So no starting. Sure. No at the bench. But no buy one a castle or a bad. So be about Abaso. It means you saw something in the player. The Johnson what a scout in the report that by name Yampua. Who are you two say and never found and about one get or a trade about. And if you decide to sign a player, give him the time. And man the behind the player about 1-2 a penoko. And a crack on this can send beer any back when you bring a new another player to the team once again. Player also but then just about as far as ever. Because where examples are here, there are a lot of players about team behind Alpha, not because they are bad players. The team not Alpha in the beginning. And also could be on the mind, not I hate it. So why don't you learn from that mistake? Now you must play at a time. You also see a deeper. But see, there are times that you go to a studio, improve that environment, you make a mistake in your submission. But with time, you get settled and you deliver. And the behind the say, the other kind of more carao. because every year players play about on the back. How do you build that way? And I've been consistent on this narrative say, so who see that my foundation fit beyond you go, no such direct your come and then so if you think say you want to build a team, let's know what you want from the team.
Okay.
Even the beer, the thing that's a bro, beer, the class.
Okay.
Player remember, no, and then team you be anything there.
Mate.
Top 4, not even 2 goals at contribution. 2 goals much more than consider 4 goals. Ball, nothing to worry about. Need not call bad planning of the team.
But I say.